We had pulled in just in time for dinner. The mess halls weren't completed yet, and an outdoor chow line snaked around a half-finished building that broke a good part of the wind. They issued us Army mess kits, the round metal kind that fold over, and plopped in scoops of canned Vienna sausage, canned string beans, and steamed rice that had been cooked way too long, and on top of the rice, a serving of canned apricots. The Caucasian servers were thinking that the fruit poured over the rice would make a good dessert, but among the Japanese, of course, rice is never eaten with sweet foods, only with salty or savory foods. After dinner, we were taken to Block 16, a cluster of 15 barracks that had just been finished a day or so earlier. Although finished was hardly a word for it, the shacks were built of one thickness of pine planking covered with tarp paper. They sat on concrete footing with about 2 feet of open space between the floorboards and the ground. Gaps showed between the planking. And each barracks was divided into 6 units, 16 by 20 feet, about the size of a living room, with one bare bulb hanging from the ceiling and an oil stove for heat. We were assigned 2 of these for 12 people in our family group, and our official family number was enlarged by 3 digits, 16 plus the number of this barracks. We were issued steel Army cots, 2 brown Army blankets each, and some mattress covers, which my brother stuffed with straw. The first task was to divide up what space we had for sleeping. And the people who had it the hardest during the first few months were young couples, because they had just been married before the evacuation in order not to be separated and sent to different camps. Our 2 rooms were crowded, but at least it was all in the family.